This is ERi-TV. Dear viewers, welcome to English News Broadcast. I'm Bersabet Tagle, and these are the major headlines for today. Cervical cancer vaccination program underway nationwide. Awards handed to outstanding students and teachers in the Central Region. Indonesia quake kills more than 50, injures hundreds, and destroys homes. And Russia's Shivelush volcano begins to erupt. On your local reports, cervical cancer vaccination program is underway across the country starting from 21 November, indicating that preparations have been finalized for the successful implementation of the vaccination program. The Ministry of Health reported that awareness-raising campaigns have been conducted in all languages since last September by establishing task forces in 67 subzones. The ministry also said that the vaccination program is being carried out at 1,382 schools, over 300 health facilities, as well as 250 temporary centers and 60 mobile facilities, and 300,000 females from 9 to 14 years of age are expected to take the vaccination. The ministry went on to say that unprotected sex is one of the main causes for the disease and that vaccination has 95% capacity of controlling the prevalence of the disease. Cervical cancer is the fourth killer at global level and second at African level, and that worldwide, out of 560,000 cervical cancer victims, 275 of them lose their lives. The ministry also called on all concerned institutions and the public to strengthen participation for the successful implementation of the program. Hadinat Junior School in the Central Region awarded 12 outstanding students, including 11 females that scored higher points in the 2021 and 2022 8th grade national examination. At the event organized on 19 November, Mr. Daniel Harta, director of the school, said that the objective of the award was to encourage the outstanding students and become role models to fellow students. Pointing out that the development of teaching-learning process could be achieved through the involvement of many actors, Mr. Daniel said that parents, teachers, as well as school community have been the main factors for the success that has been achieved. Commending the initiative the school is undertaking to produce competent students, Mr. Mesfun Waldeslassie, head of basic education at the Ministry of Education branch in the Central Region, expressed readiness of the office branch to stand alongside the school in all its endeavors. Indicating that schools are institutions in which students gain the necessary knowledge and be nurtured with discipline, Mr. Hab Abai, administrator of Tsetara subzone, called for the sustainability of the initiative to encourage outstanding students. On your last local report, farmers at the administrative area of Mberemi, Masawa subzone are conducting water and soil conservation popular campaign. The farmers indicated that the objective of the popular campaign is to control erosion and thereby boost agricultural production. The farmers also called for machinery support for the sustainability of the conservation program. Commending the strong participation the farmers are demonstrating in the conservation program, Mr. Abdelkader Alamin, administrator of the administrative area, said that so far 200 meters of water diversion schemes have been constructed. Dear viewers, do stay with us for the international news after the short break. Welcome back. A 5.6 magnitude earthquake killed more than 50 people and injured hundreds in Indonesia's West Java province today, with rescuers trying to reach survivors trapped under the rubble amid a series of aftershocks as night fell. West Java Governor Ridwan Kamil confirmed 56 deaths from the quake, whose epicenter was a town about 75 kilometers southeast of the capital, Jakarta, where some buildings shook and some offices were evacuated. According to the West Java Governor, there are residents residents trapped in the isolated places. Hence, the number of injuries and deaths would rise with time. Indonesia straddles the so-called Pacific Ring of Fire, a highly seismically active zone where different plates on the Earth's crust meet and create a large number of earthquakes and volcanoes. On today's last report, the press service of the Far Eastern Region's Institute of Volcanology told on Sunday that the Shivelush volcano on Russia's Kamchatka Peninsula has begun to erupt. Towering clouds of ash and glowing lava are spewing from the two volcanoes on Russia's Kamchatka Peninsula, and scientists say major eruptions could be on the way. The peninsula, which extends into the Pacific Ocean about 6,600 kilometers east of Moscow, is one of the world's most concentrated areas of geothermal activity, with about 30 active volcanoes. The sudden new activity followed a strong earthquake on Saturday, news reports said. According to further report, the volcano's last most powerful eruption took place in 2007. Dear viewers, you're still watching us on ERi-TV, and now recap of the major headlines. Cervical cancer vaccination program underway nationwide. Awards handed to outstanding students and teachers in the Central Region. Indonesia quake kills more than 50, injures hundreds, and destroys homes. And Russia's Shivelush volcano begins to erupt. Dear viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching.